Waking up each morning a bit wealthier than the day before, without changing anything in your daily routine. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's more real than you think. We're going to show you how to turn your savings into a money-making machine, even while you're in the land of dreams. Is it magic? Or is it the power of passive investments working for you? Stay with us and discover how you can make your money work as hard as you do, or even harder. And the best part, without the need to constantly check your investments or fall into complex financial traps. So, adjust your seat, get ready to take notes, and let's unravel the mystery of how your portfolio can grow without lifting a finger. Ready to change the financial game rules? Let's get started. Passive investing sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? But what exactly is it? It's often mistaken for sitting back and waiting for money to fall from the sky. But no, it's not magic or a stroke of luck. It's a strategy based on patience and selecting investments that have historically shown sustained growth over time. Let me clarify something important. Passive investing doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing your homework once, at the beginning, and then letting compounding do its magic. It's about choosing a path and sticking to it, resisting the temptation to follow every new trend, or, worse, the panic of selling at the wrong times. And here's a truth few will tell you. Passive investing has outperformed active investing in most markets over the last decades. Yes, you heard that right. Investing passively is not only less stressful but often more profitable. Why? Because you reduce costs, avoid human errors, and most importantly, you give it time. So, are you stuck believing you need to pick winning stocks and sell at the exact right moment? Forget it. We're going to show you how you can maximize your earnings with a strategy that requires less effort and less worry. Ready to stop working for your money and make your money work for you? Before we dive into the investment strategies that will allow you to earn money while you rest, it's crucial to understand some fundamentals. Smart investing isn't just about picking the stock of the moment or the trendy asset. It's about building a solid foundation that supports your financial growth over the long term. First, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio can help you reduce risk and seize different growth opportunities. Think of it like a basketball team. You need different players for different roles, not just 5 forwards. Second, the rule of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. Invest early and reinvest your gains, and you'll see how your money not only grows but multiplies over time. It's the snowball effect at its finest. Third, consistency is key. Investing regularly, regardless of market conditions, can be more beneficial than trying to time the market. It's like exercise. You're not going to be fit by going to the gym only when you feel like it. Consistency builds strength, both physically and financially. Fourth, patience pays off. Markets have ups and downs, but history has shown that patience translates into rewards. Don't let daily fluctuations steer you away from your long-term goals. Lastly, continuous education. Stay informed, learn about new trends, and adjust your strategy as necessary. The financial world is constantly changing, and staying up to date will allow you to make informed decisions. Now that you've grasped the fundamentals, it's time to dive into the key investment strategies. These tactics are not only simple but also incredibly effective over the long term. The first strategy, index funds. These funds replicate the performance of a financial index, like the S&P 500. They offer a way to own a small piece of the 500 largest companies without having to buy individual stocks. Low cost, instant diversification, and a solid track record over the long term. It's the cornerstone of passive investing. The second strategy is reinvesting dividends. Dividends are your share of a company's profits, and reinvesting them means buying more shares with them. Over time, this exponentially increases your initial investment through compound interest. It's like planting a tree and then using its own fruit to sow more trees. The third strategy, automatic contributions. Set up your account to automatically invest a fixed amount of money into your investment portfolio each month. It's a way to automate your financial discipline and take advantage of what's known as dollar-cost averaging, which can reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. And the fourth strategy, perhaps the most important, is to keep calm and carry on. The market can be volatile and may tempt you to make rash decisions. Stay calm, trust your strategy, and don't let market emotions drive you. By implementing these strategies, you're not just creating a robust portfolio, but you're also building a money-making machine that works day and night without you needing to constantly intervene. It's the power of passive investing at its best.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
While passive investing might seem straightforward, there are pitfalls that many fall into. Knowing these common mistakes will help you better navigate the path to financial freedom. The first mistake is chasing past performance. It's tempting to look at funds or stocks that performed well last year and assume they will continue to do so. But in finance, what goes up can come down. The key is to look forward, not backward. The second mistake is a lack of patience. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. The true power of investing reveals itself over years, not days. Another pitfall is not rebalancing your portfolio. Over time, some investments may grow more than others, leading to an imbalance in your asset allocation. Periodically rebalancing ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your goals and desired risk level. A classic error is letting emotions take control. Fear and greed are poor advisors. Investing based on an emotional impulse can lead you to make decisions that contradict your investment plan. Lastly, the mistake of not reviewing your investments. Although passive investing is low maintenance, it doesn't mean no maintenance. Reviewing your portfolio at least once a year allows you to adjust as necessary and keep your investments on the right track. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be in a much stronger position for your passive investment portfolio to thrive, giving you the freedom to earn money while you focus on living the life you desire. To keep your investments in line with efficiency and simplicity, there are tools and resources that can be your best allies. These resources enable you to invest with confidence, track your assets, and simplify the decision-making process. First, let's talk about online investment platforms. These platforms give you access to a wide range of index funds and ETFs with just a few clicks. Look for those with low fees and a solid reputation. Some even offer automatic tools for dividend reinvestment and portfolio rebalancing. Then there are investment tracking apps. With these, you can monitor your assets from your phone in real time. They help you see the full picture of your investments, compare your performance against benchmarks, and receive personalized alerts. Also, don't underestimate the power of a good investment book. Classic works offer deep insights into the markets and investment strategies. These can be invaluable resources for educating yourself and fine-tuning your investment philosophy. Forums and social media are also there, where you can join communities of investors, share experiences, and get advice. Just remember to verify information with reliable sources before acting on what you read online. And finally, consider using a robo-advisor. These automated advisors can provide personalized investment management at a fraction of the cost of a human advisor. They're ideal for those seeking a passive investment approach and want help setting up and maintaining their portfolio. With these tools and resources, you have everything you need to make your passive investment a success. Technology is here to serve you, So use it to your advantage and let your money work for you. It's time to be inspired by success stories. Real people who have transformed their financial future through passive investing. Take Sarah, a school teacher who started investing in index funds 20 years ago. With modest contributions from her salary, she followed a consistent investment strategy. Now, she's looking forward to a comfortable retirement thanks to the smart decision to let her money grow over time. Then there's Carlos, who after receiving a small inheritance, decided to invest in a diversified portfolio. He didn't try to predict the market or follow the latest trends. He opted for patience and discipline, and now that inheritance has doubled, showcasing the power of a long-term investment strategy. And lastly, Aisha, who started with a very small sum and an investment app that rounded up her purchases to the nearest dollar, investing those cents. Years later, those cents turned into thousands of dollars. These stories are not only motivating but demonstrate that passive investing is accessible to everyone, regardless of the amount of money you start with. You don't need to be a tycoon or a finance genius to see your wealth grow. You just need to start, be consistent, and stay the course. These people did it, and the results speak for themselves. We've come a long way today, unraveling the mysteries of passive investing and how it can work for you. From understanding the fundamentals to implementing key strategies and avoiding common mistakes, it all boils down to one thing: allowing your money to grow smartly and sustainably. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick, but to build financial strength that lasts a lifetime. If what you've heard resonates with you, it's time to act. Start today. You don't need to be an expert or have a fortune to begin. You just need the commitment to take the first step. Research, choose a strategy, and take that step towards your financial freedom. And if this video has helped you see the possibilities, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could also have their life changed by it. I hope this video has provided you with the knowledge and inspiration to make your money work for you. Remember, passive investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, consistency, and education are your best tools on this journey. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies that will help you build a brighter financial future. Keep investing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep growing. Until the next video.